Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by mapping signal flow. Identify the camera input and the interface outputs so you avoid level mismatches. Once done, choose the shortest quality cable, balanced TRS/XLR for best noise rejection. 3. 5 mm only if necessary. Make sure phantom power is off unless using a condenser mic through the interface and camera input supports it via adapter. Label cables and set device sample rates to match to prevent clicks and sync issues later. Now connect the interface output to the camera input with a direct cable or adapter, XLR to XLR, TRS to TRS, or TRS to 3. 5 mm with an isolated adapter. Then power everything and play a test signal while monitoring on the interface headphones. Adjust the interface output level and camera input trim so peaks land around -12 dBFS. This keeps headroom for transient sounds. If you hear distortion, engage a pad or lower the output and retry the test. Finish by recording a slate or tone so you have a sync reference and verify levels during a short take. Make sure both devices use the same sample rate and bit depth, typically 48K HC, 24-bit, so audio plays back without drift. If you get no signal, first confirm cables and adapters are functional, then check the camera input selection and interface routing. Finally, try swapping cables or ports. Intermittent loss often points to a faulty connector rather than settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.